Hello everyone, welcome to this question where we are given two semicircles that are drawn on a piece of a square paper, ABCD. We are also given the radius of the semicircle. For those who don't already know, if the radius is 5 cm, it simply means that this is also 5 cm, 5 cm. So the length of the square is 5 plus 5, 10 cm. Okay, and because this is a square, it means that the side DC is also 10 cm. Okay, now find the area of the shaded region. So for part A, the shaded area is simply the square 10 times 10 minus away the two semicircle, and two semicircle make one circle, yeah? So it's simply pi r square. And I notice one thing, they want us to leave the answer in terms of pi. So I will have 100 minus how many pi? 5 times 5 is 25 pi. And this will be the answer for part A. And for part B, find the perimeter of the shaded region. Let's see what do we have. We have 10 here, we have 10 here. And we actually have this semicircle and this semicircle again. They make one full circle. So the perimeter, right, of the shaded region is my 2, 10 plus 10, plus the circle, which is 2 pi r, r is 5. And so I will have 20 plus 10 pi. 2 times 5 is 10 cm. Well, with that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.